thanks for checking out the videos. I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel.
Fourth fist bump.
Let's go.
Let's get 5. There we go. Drop in!
Holy shit! Dude, I like rode down it. Holy shit! Dude, oh, I was like, I had a foot out and I was like, no, I got this. Put my foot back in, and then like my back tire locked up and I was like, started feathering and I was just picking up so much speed. I was like, holy shit!
Good primer for tomorrow.
Yeah.
That track is gonna feel easy.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Dude, that was so much fun. Oh my God.
How technical. That's
Yeah,
rolling cold times 100.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah, that's exactly what it is. It's worse rolling cold. Alright, you went up and then the other way.
Yeah.
Ugh. Yeah, and right before it started to get dark.
Yeah, I know. Perfect timing.
Good day.
Man, that's fun.
Alright, now we got the even, like, relatively more fun section.
Yeah. Dude, you should have just clipped into the chute. I said you should have just clipped into the chute.
I don't want to risk that right now.
Yeah.
That would have been a lot. I believe that I could have done it, yeah.
Yeah, you definitely could have.
I've done horse day.
Right.
Alright. Are you ready for
Yo, let's get it.
Let's get it. Still gonna be going oil caustic.
Yeah, yeah. That's a thorn bush. Oh, I'm taking his line. Whoa, what is that? Yeah. Oh, that was almost bad. Dude, that's so sick. Oh my god. GoPro, stop recording.